Hey everyone, I'm Natasha Loeffler-Little, and I'm both a certified nutrition consultant as well as a Pilates teacher. I also happen to be a normal average human being who loves champagne and occasionally drinks too much of it. And so I have a couple things that I usually do to get myself back to feeling energetic, clear-headed, and more like myself. And I wanted to share one of those with you, which is a great smoothie recipe to help you get back to normal the morning after when you had that hangover. Go ahead and grab your blender or whatever you're going to use to mix this up, and here's the ingredient lineup and why. I like to use yogurt as my base. It's fermented, and the fermented bit helps both with our overall gut health, which alcohol itself can be more damaging to. And the second thing is that fermented foods help us detoxify. And so think about anything that you're doing, like external environmental toxins or alcohol, we take it in and our body needs to get rid of it. So yogurt is a great little boost for that. The second is some kind of a nut butter. Here I have peanut butter. That little bit of protein as well as fat is going to help me prevent any additional cravings that might come up later in the day from having too much sugar the night before. Also, it adds nice consistency to my smoothie. Next, some kind of a raw and super colorful berry. Strawberries, blueberries, any kind of fruit really is going to be amazing. So, a raw food is basically the most whole food possible. It hasn't been cooked. The more fresh it is, the more primed it is for it to give you all of its nutritional value. Anything super colorful like this, super rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all of which are going to help detoxify, all of which are going to help rebuild your system after kind of getting a little, slumpy from having too much to drink. So some kind of raw berry. Love citrus, super, super potent for helping the liver detoxify, taking maybe even just the zest, or you can just do a little squeeze. Not too much because, it gets a little weird with all of these, but just a little zing is great. Next, I love to use something that has some fiber because any kind of fiber is going to help you, again, clear out the waste. Flax, chia seeds, you can use pumpkin or sunflower seeds. Those are all going to be amazing. This one happens to, again, give a little bit of a texture boost. I'm a chocolate fan, so I love to add a little bit of cacao powder. A little goes a long way with all of these in there. So this is also super rich in antioxidants, again, to help you detoxify. You can add milk on top of that, but typically I just add water because with all of these other flavor agents, you don't have to go too far. So that's gonna be a really awesome combination to help you feeling back to yourself, super rich in vitamins and minerals, pretty balanced little meal. You can take it on the go, and within an hour you're gonna feel closer back to yourself. So give that a try and let us know what you think.